Hello wonderful traders, welcome to another episode of our pre-market analysis. This is Abuja FX Academy. My name is Sean. Before I go further into the analysis for this week, please I would like you to kindly subscribe to my YouTube page, click the subscribe button, like, share and comment on my video. This will encourage us to do more. And every week before the market opens, we usually do this pre-market analysis of some of the pairs that we trade to prepare us for the week ahead. This is week 8 in the year 2024. This February. I think this is the last week of the month. So right now I'm diving straight into the DXY analysis. Starting from the daily time frame, you can see that the market has been bearish, super bearish. Since last year, market has been bearish. What we can see last week, I anticipated that the price was going to touch this trend line, which he eventually did last week. And guess what? Market rejected from that zone and began to fall back into the bearish trend, right? So what am I expecting this week really? Let's go down to 4 hours time frame. Since price has rejected from that trend line and this resistance here, you can see market is already falling down. So what am I expecting DXY to possibly do this week? I'm expecting DXY to probably continue the downtrend. That's my number one bias. And my number 2 possible bias is that there's also a possibility, since there is no strong momentum in this breakdown here, there's no strong momentum. Market has been ranging here for over 3 weeks right now. Each of these pink lines we are seeing signifies a week. So for 1, 2, 3 weeks, market has been ranging, has been testing this support. Eventually last week when market broke, there was no strong volume to push it down. So it's still at the support level. So I'm expecting this week, there's a possibility for market to break down and just continue to go. That's my number 1 bias. Or there's another possibility for price to begins to go back up, back to touch this trend line. And if possible, if there's a strong news this week, it may possibly make the price to break above the trend line. That could change the direction of the market from bearish to bullish. So now we don't trade DXY, but we use DXY as an indicator to trade other pairs, for example like EURUSD. And looking at this, I could see a trend line here. If market breaks this trend line, I could see probably a push up to this level, right? So that's my number 1 bias. That's my bias on this trade. So the first thing is I'm expecting a breakdown. Yeah, that's my number 1 bias, or a change of direction back to the top. So let's look at the next pair. Please kindly subscribe to my YouTube page, like, comment and share. If you have any question, if there's any pair you want me to analyze in my next video, please kindly indicate so I can check that through the comment section, and I will ensure that in my next video I attend to your questions. Thank you so much. So now this USDJPY. What can we see from USDJPY? USDJPY is bullish at the moment. Last week USDJPY broke and that stayed above this resistance level, still ranging within this zone. So what am I expecting DXY? What am I expecting USDJPY to do? I'm expecting USDJPY to possibly break this level. If it breaks this trend line and breaks this support, I'll be expecting a sell. Right, that's my first bias. Or if price breaks above this resistance here, I could be looking for a buy opportunity all the way up to that level. So I have two buyers for this week. Number one is if price breaks this trend line and breaks, especially if it breaks this trend line on the shorter time frame, probably on the 15 minutes time frame, I could see a sell all the way down to this place. And if it breaks this level, I'll be looking for more sell all the way down. Or if price breaks above this resistance, I'll be looking for a buy opportunity all the way up. It's as simple as that. It's just simple price action. You don't complicate things, right? So let me quickly go to the next pair, which is EURUSD. EURUSD. So what can we see from EURUSD? On the 4 hours time frame, you can see that EURUSD from the beginning of the year, EURUSD has been super bearish since January up to this moment. Now, last week, EURUSD was around this level. So I was anticipating that EURUSD, could possibly break down and continue this bearish move, because you can see this is a key zone. This is a support level that has turned into a resistance, right? So I was expecting EURUSD to break this trend line and continue to fall back all the way down, but that didn't happen because of the news that was released last week. Eventually EURUSD broke above the trend line and it has stayed above this resistance. What does that mean? For throughout last week, price has stayed above this level. So what am I expecting EURUSD to do? I'm expecting continuation of this uptrend. That's what I'm expecting EURUSD to do. So if you're at the moment, I will wait for a buy opportunity around this level. Possibly maybe on Monday or Tuesday, I will look for a buy opportunity around this level and see if I could catch a buy all the way up to this resistance level next week. I mean this week that we are. Or see the way I trade, I look at the positive and the negative. I look at, okay, yes, this is my bias, but at the same time, what could invalidate my trade? At the moment, my number one bias is bullish, continuation of this uptrend. But however, if price fails and comes and break below this support, I will look for a sell opportunity, number one. That will also be in confluence with the break of this trend line. So I'll be looking for a sell opportunity all the way down to this level. It's as simple as that, right? But my number one bias is that since price has broken this key zone and it has stayed above this level, I'm expecting a continuation all the way up to this level, right? So that's my that's EURUSD. Let's quickly take a look at AUDUSD. Please kindly subscribe to my YouTube page. This is Abuja FX Academy. If you want to learn how to trade, if you want to learn how to analyze the financial market just the way I'm doing, we have our academy in Abuja where you can come and learn as a beginner, as intermediate, even up to advanced level. All our training sessions are practicals, so you can follow us on all our social medias, Facebook, Instagram, and you can send us a DM, send us a message, comment if there's any inquiries you want to ask. I'll be glad to respond to you. So similar to EURUSD, this AUDUSD, you can see the same thing. My analysis last week, as of last week, price was still at this level. So I was expecting either a breakout to the upside or a breakdown below in confluence with this trend line, right? That was my expectation last week. But my second bias eventually played out, which was the break to the upside. But after breaking to the upside, you can see market has been ranging, very weak trend. So what am I expecting AUDUSD to do this week? Possibly continue the uptrend, though the momentum is very weak and low at the moment, so I'm not really seeing any trade opportunity. But what I'm expecting AUDUSD to do is to continue the uptrend, right? Possibly if price breaks above this resistance level, I could be looking for a buy opportunity here. But now there's a short, there's a huge resistance level here, which is a big barrier, right? So I think that will be a little challenge here. But however, whatever happens, if AUD does not give a good trade opportunity, I'm sure there are other pairs that will possibly give us a better trade opportunity. That's how we analyze several pairs, so you don't have to get stuck on one particular pair. If one is not giving you a good signal, there will be others that will possibly give you a better opportunity to trade. Then the second bias on AUDUSD is there's also a possibility for a break below this support. If there is a break below this trend line and below this support, right, then I'll be looking for a sell opportunity. That's one signal that could actually invalidate this trade, right? Let's move on to the next pair quickly. We don't like to complicate our analysis, try to make it very simple. This price action. So the next pair I'm looking at is gold. I've not been trading gold for a while, but I know most of my members on our Telegram group, they trade gold. So let me quickly do this analysis for them. So what am I seeing on gold? Gold from the beginning of the year, this is the beginning of the year, gold has been bearish, right? Not too strong, but it has been bearish. And what am I seeing at the moment? As of last week, gold was within this range. Eventually, gold broke out from this place, but with this strong momentum. What am I expecting gold to do? I'm expecting a retest of this level and a possible continuation of this uptrend. If DXY is bearish, right, I'm expecting a more bullish opportunity for gold. That's my number one bias, right? Even though I'm seeing this resistance around here, which could be a little barrier, you can see market actually rejected from this level. So what am I waiting for? I'll be waiting for price to possibly break above this level before I look for a buy opportunity. That's my number one bias. And my number two bias is that if price now fails, right, continue to fall and break below this level, I'll be looking for a sell opportunity back to this key zone. Can remember this place is a key zone, tested several times in the past. So this place is a very strong area. So that's my number one. That's my second bias. The first one is the continuation of this uptrend, right, all the way up. And the second one is if price fails and continues to fall and break below this place, I'll be looking for a short sell down to this place this week, right? That's for gold. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube page, turn on the notification icon, like, comment and share. This will encourage us to do more, right, for people to learn. And if you know you've benefited from our analysis, please kindly share our videos. We hope to do more in the coming weeks. We continue to do this every week, by the way. So now let's look at EURJPY. EURJPY gave us a good buy opportunity last week. You see, from our analysis, after market broke above this resistance, last week. So we took a buy opportunity, right? And we're still holding till now. Yes, market actually hit a TP, but now we're looking for more opportunity here. What am I expecting? I'm expecting price to possibly reject from this level. Number one, this is a trend line, and this is also a minor support. So I'm expecting price to reject and continue to go back up. That's my number one bias. Then my number two bias is that if price breaks below this support, minor support, and also breaks this trend line, I could be looking for a sell opportunity all the way down back to this key zone. Now this is a very strong area. This is a key zone. So that's my second bias. My number one bias is what? A return, a reject from this support, and I'll be looking for a buy opportunity to this level. But if it fails, breaks this support and breaks this trend line, I'll be looking for a sell opportunity, and my target level will be this area, right? Hope you are catching my flow. Very simple analysis. I don't complicate things at all, right? Now let's look at CADJPY CJ. I think we should go to daily time frame to see what can we see on CADJPY. CADJPY has been an uptrend, massive uptrend, massive uptrend since the beginning of the year. In fact, since last year, it has been this uptrend all the way up to this resistance level, right? So currently CADJPY is consolidating. It is consolidating because the price has been trapped within this consolidation. So what am I expecting? I'm expecting CADJPY to possibly continue the uptrend. That's my number one bias, right? Continue this uptrend from here, and the price will continue to push up after the breakout from this consolidation. Then the second bias is if this level fails to hold. If this level fails to hold and price is pushing down, right, I will be looking for, if price breaks below, especially below this support, and if price breaks this trend line, I'll be looking for a sell opportunity. It's as simple as that. First, if price returns and breaks below this resistance, I'm looking for a buy opportunity up. But if price fails this week, fails and break below this level, I'll be looking for a sell opportunity all the way down to these levels, right? So these are pre-week analysis for the 8th week in the month of February 2024. Look forward to our pre-market analysis for next week, and within the week when I'm free, I hope to be able to create more content and share more valuable content with you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing to our YouTube page. Thank you for viewing our videos, and if you're interested in learning more about how to trade, kindly contact us in any of our social medias. You can check Google, search for Abuja FX Academy. Go to Instagram, search for Abuja FX Academy. Go to Facebook, Abuja FX Academy. We'll be glad to respond to you and teach you both online and offline. Thank you so much, guys. I wish you all a profitable week. Do have a nice time. Bye.